So today's job is to repair the mirror switch in my Saab 9.5. At the moment I can move the mirrors up, but nothing else works. I can't move them back down again. I can't move them left to right. So that would indicate to me that there is an issue with the contacts inside the switch. So I'm going to show you how to remove it and how to repair it, and then hopefully that will do the job. To remove the switch, what we're going to do is we're going to open the door and we're going to pull this plastic trim like that, and then as you get your fingers behind it, you'll be able to get your fingers behind the switch and then push it out, and that will give you the switch. And then you have the one connector here that we need to pull off and remove, and then that will release this. Right, so here's the switch, and as you can see, it's got clips in the standard Saab fashion, so we're just going to release those clips to open this up. There we go. So we have the plastic front, so we're going to give this a clean up, and then we will see if that has benefited us. I don't have any contact cleaner, but I do have some carb cleaner, which is basically petrol. I'm going to use this to give it a clean by applying it directly to a microfiber cloth. So now we've got some parts to put back together again. So we're going to start with this here. So you've got the button which goes in the hole, which is this one here. Then the switch piece, this here, goes in the bottom here. The latch, this latch here, goes where the actual switch latch is as well, like that. And then we'll pop this back on here, and then the back of it. These metal bits slide in to the sides here, like that. I'll do the other side now. And then finally, the two parts will need to go together. So keep this one face down because this has all the bits that fall out of it, and then just connect these back up how it was before, like that. And we should have a nice clean working switch now. Let's go and see if this works. Right, so I have now connected this back up again, and so it's now set to the driver's side. Let's have a look. Up, down, right, left. Yep, all working fine. So that's all it needed, a bit of a clean.